you're putting some grab bars in here. Presently, the client has a handbar rail system that is on a toilet, but it's not sufficient for them, and they really don't like it. A lot of people have a hard time reaching behind themselves with these grab bars on here, so we're going to put one on the wall. Most important detail, though, on any of these is that you have to have blocking behind them. So if you're going to install a grab bar of any sort, definitely have some blocking. And one way to do that is just to get a simple stud finder and evaluate where your studs are. And unfortunately, we don't have anything until we get to this corner. There's nothing in between here. And what I do like is these angled grab bars, because they give you leverage, or it gives the client leverage when they're trying to get up. So they can just grab onto this to pull themselves up. Whereas a straight bar, a little bit more cumbersome to do that. So we basically are going to align our back end here on an existing stud that's back here. So we evaluated back here. It looks like we have a stud right in line on this back end. Now on the front end is where I'm going to have to add some blocking. So first you want to mark your holes to know exactly where this needs to be. And then what we're going to do is use a 2x6 block here. And I'd have a laser level on here to guide me of where I need to cut this out. So I'm just going to have to simply cut this out and embed this into the drywall so that you have a solid anchor. At 21 3/4. Okay, so then once you get everything painted, it did take a couple of days to get that all addressed. Basically had to put another coat of drywall mud over it and then prime it and then paint it, and then you can go ahead and install them. So you can just use the regular screws that come with the actual grab bar, but these angled grab bars are going to be really great for the client, going to make it much easier. We'll be able to remove that existing contraption on that toilet. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.